Stop. Change these 3 Chrome settings now. They protect your privacy, speed up Chrome, and save battery. First, block third-party cookies. Go Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and other site data. Choose Block third-party cookies. That stops trackers from following you and reduces ad clutter. Second, enable Secure DNS. Settings, Security, use Secure DNS, pick Cloudflare or Google. Secure DNS encrypts lookups, prevents ISP snooping, and can be faster. Third, stop Chrome from running background apps. Settings, System, toggle off Continue running background apps. This frees RAM, saves battery, and stops sneaky background tasks. Quick recap, block third-party cookies, use Secure DNS, disable background apps. Open Chrome://settings now. You can change all 3 in under a minute. Follow the captions on screen as I highlight each toggle step by step. Do it now. Like, subscribe, and tap the link below for a full step-by-step guide.